Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your Apple Care status on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To check if Apple Care is active and how long you have left of it on your iPad, open the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General Settings, tap About. Tap Apple Care. Your Apple Care information is displayed here. It will tell you when your plan expires and what instances you are covered for. If you need to avail of Apple Care services, open the Apple Support app. If you don't have it, you can tap a link to install it from here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.